This is a world of dreams and reverie, where I felt the stars explode around me. A grass blade flashed with a gleam as it slashed open a moonbeam. Then I stared back breathlessly as mountains of fruit tumbled out. I barely had the chance to shout. Oh, strawberry avalanche crash over me. Staying awake that night was rather hard. Deep in a sleeping bag in your backyard, when we woke up buried alive beneath a fruity landslide, we both laughed hysterically. It could have been just another dream, but I swear I heard you scream. Oh, strawberry avalanche crash over me. There's a citrus constellation in the galaxy, scratched on the back of both my eyelids, that I've been dying to see. If you were